What's up, guys? I'm still lingering around here. I'm ready to get back to work, although it doesn't seem so. I mean, because I've been gone forever. I've just had some other things going. Got another big project going on that I've been working on. It's really drug out and lasted a lot longer than it ever should have. It's nothing that's real difficult, but it's just time consuming. And honestly, it was a bigger area that I should have been trying to convert to something myself. But now I am nearing the end of that. I'll show you here in a minute what I've had going on. As for the CNC, I plan on sending the computer off here pretty quick, like this week. And they assure me that if it can be fixed, it wouldn't be real long to fix it, because it is more or less just a software problem. If they can't get that resolved, I've been looking into the controllers, which is going to be a USB setup, and I'm going to have to rework part of the wiring stuff. And if I actually do that, I'll video that stuff and show all the rewiring and how to put it back together to hook it into the machine. But I'm really hoping it's not that route. I really don't feel like going through the whole process of rewiring that thing and figuring out the whole new system. But if I do, I do. So anyway, I'll just let you guys know I am working to get back. I just have a few other hurdles that I had to hop over the last year or so. And there's still one that's ongoing that's not going away anytime soon, but it's life. So I'll be back really quick, and let's run over and check out what else I had going. Okay, so this is what I've had going. So I don't know if it's a little echoey in here. Maybe I can open the door up and maybe deaden the echo a little bit. But I've been working on this room. You can see it goes all the way down. I've wired it, I've framed it, sheetrocked it, taped and bedded, and that's what I'm right at the end of now, is taping and bedding. And once I get this all sanded and throw paint on here, I'll be done with this. This is gonna be my wife's new workshop. It is here in the end of my shop. It's 10 by 30, but it's gonna be a lot bigger workspace than she's ever had. She does screen print and embroidery, and this just gets her out of our garage doing it, because she gets such big orders that the space is just running out. So anyway, as you saw there, that was that's the room. And like I said, it shouldn't have taken near as long as it should have, but we just kept running stuff. I mean, one of the issues, amazingly, is money. A lot of that stuff, once you start adding it all up, it gets expensive quick. And the other thing was time. I mean, it took a lot of time doing that by myself, and it's done. Now, the sad thing is you'll see that it's at the other end of the shop, and over time, I hope to cover this up. If you can see all the nice insulation down there, I mean, it's not horrible, but I'm afraid that's really gonna hold sawdust something terrible. And once I really get to working out here, I think that's just gonna look like a mess. But over time, I'll get that covered up and hopefully hide some of that too. So guys, that's it. I was just letting y'all know that I'm still around. I'm going to try to get this thing going again. I'm ready to be back out here. As you probably saw from that little sneak peek, since I've been working out in the shop is a disaster. So that'll be another project, having to get this all back organized and get the machine back where I want it. And hopefully it comes on quick. So guys, that's going to be it. Thanks for checking in on me. I'll see y'all next time.